Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hi there, I'm Lucy.
And I'm Tom. Lucy, can I ask everyone a question?
Of course.
Everyone listening right now, do you find it hard to start conversations?
Maybe you see someone you want to talk to, but you don't know what to say.
Or you want to make friends, but starting feels so difficult?
You're not alone.
Starting conversations is one of the biggest challenges.
Even for native speakers.
But today, we're teaching you simple ways to start any conversation.
Easy phrases that work every time.
Let's begin.
So, Tom, why is starting conversations so difficult?
Great question.
I think many students feel scared.
Absolutely. There are many fears.
Like what?
Fear of rejection. What if the person doesn't want to talk?
Fear of awkwardness. What if there's silence?
Fear of saying something wrong.
And for language learners, fear about their English.
All of these fears are normal.
Even native English speakers feel nervous.
But here's the good news.
What's that?
Most people are actually happy when someone talks to them.
Really?
Yes, most people are friendly and welcoming.
They appreciate when you make the effort.
And it gets easier with practice.
Every conversation makes the next one easier.
So let's learn the easiest conversation starters.
The universal ones that always work.
First, simple greetings.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, how's your day going?
Good morning, nice to see you.
These are safe and friendly.
Everyone knows how to respond.
Next, the weather.
The weather?
Yes, weather is the most universal conversation starter.
In every culture.
Almost every culture.
What do you say about weather?
Nice weather today, isn't it?
Beautiful day, right?
It's so cold today.
I love this sunshine.
Simple and easy.
Everyone can talk about weather.
Now, situational comments.
What does that mean?
Comments about where you are or what's happening.
Give me examples.
At a coffee shop, this place is always busy.
At an event, this is a great event.
In a class, this class looks interesting.
In line, this line is long today.
You're commenting on the shared situation.
Both of you are experiencing it.
So it's natural to talk about it.
I love this.
You can also ask about the location.
Like what?
Have you been here before?
Do you come here often?
This is a nice place.
I've never been here. How about you?
These are all safe and easy.
Now let's talk about compliments.
Compliments are wonderful conversation starters.
But they need to be genuine.
Yes, real, not fake.
What are good compliments?
I love your bag. Where did you get it?
That's a great book. How do you like it?
Your dog is so cute.
That colour looks great.
Always add a question after the compliment.
Why?
Because a question invites conversation.
Makes sense.
You can also make observations.
Observations.
I noticed you're reading that book. Is it good?
I see you have an item. I've been thinking about getting one.
You look busy. What are you working on?
These show you're paying attention.
I have a student named May.
Tell us about May.
May was very shy. She wanted to make friends at university.
But she didn't know how to start conversations.
Exactly. She was so nervous.
What did you teach her?
I taught her one simple phrase.
Just one.
I love your bag. Where did you get it?
That's all.
That's all. One day at the campus cafe, May saw a student with a beautiful bag.
Was she nervous?
Very nervous. But she remembered the phrase.
What happened?
She took a deep breath and said, I love your bag. Where did you get it?
And?
The student was so happy.
Really?
Yes. They talked for 20 minutes.
From one compliment.
And they became friends.
That's amazing.
One simple phrase changed everything for May.
Now, let's talk about questions.
Questions are powerful conversation starters.
What questions should people ask?
At social events, you can ask, how do you know the host?
What brings you here tonight?
Are you enjoying the party?
Have you tried the food? It's great.
At work or in class?
How long have you worked here?
What do you think of this project?
How's your day going?
Are you working on anything interesting?
General questions that work anywhere.
Do you live around here?
What do you do?
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Have you been to this place before?
And here's important advice.
What?
After they answer, ask follow-up questions.
Like what?
Oh, really? Tell me more.
That's interesting. How did you get into that?
How do you like it?
This shows you're really interested.
And keeps the conversation going.
Now, we need to talk about what not to do.
Yes, this is important.
Some topics are not good for starting conversations.
What topics should people avoid?
Politics, too controversial.
Religion, very personal.
Money, how much things cost or salaries.
Age or weight, too personal.
Negative complaints.
Controversial news.
And very personal questions.
Like, are you married to a stranger?
Or why are you alone?
These can seem rude.
Keep it light and positive.
I have a student named Ibrahim.
What happened with Ibrahim?
Ibrahim worked at a large company.
Okay,
He wanted to make friends in the break room.
that's a good goal.
But at first, he tried negative starters.
Like what?
Why is the coffee here so bad?
Oh no,
Nobody wanted to talk to him.
because he was negative.
Exactly. So I taught him positive starters.
What did you teach him?
How's your day going? And are you working on anything interesting?
Positive questions.
And these worked much better.
What happened?
People started conversations with him.
Wonderful.
He learned, always stay positive when starting conversations.
That's such an important lesson.
Now let's talk about body language.
This is so important.
Body language is 50% of communication.
What should people do?
First, smile.
Smiling is the most important.
A smile makes you approachable.
What else?
Make eye contact, but don't stare.
Open posture, no crossed arms.
Face the person.
Relaxed shoulders.
Friendly facial expression.
And stand at a comfortable distance.
Not too close.
What if someone is very nervous?
Great question.
Many people feel nervous.
Here's my advice. Take a deep breath first.
That helps you relax.
Start with the easiest starters.
Weather or greetings.
Remember, most people are friendly.
It's okay if someone doesn't want to talk.
Not everyone will respond positively, and that's normal.
It's not personal.
Each attempt makes the next one easier.
Where should people practice?
Start with low-risk situations.
Like what?
Store clerks, they're usually friendly.
Coffee shops.
People at events.
People in lines.
Join classes or clubs.
Say hi to neighbors.
These are all safe places to practice.
Let's review everything.
Great idea.
Universal starters. Greetings, weather, situational comments.
Hi, how are you? Nice weather. This place is busy.
Compliments. I love your... with a question.
Questions. How do you know? What brings you here?
Avoid politics, religion, money, negative topics.
Body language. Smile, eye contact, open posture.
Practice in safe situations.
It gets easier every time.
Now, we have a challenge for you.
A challenge.
Yes, today, start one conversation.
Just one.
Use any starter from this episode.
Weather, compliment, question, anything.
Don't judge yourself.
Just try.
Tomorrow, try again.
Each conversation builds your confidence.
In 1 month, starting conversations will feel natural.
Remember, most people are friendly.
They appreciate when you make the effort.
You don't need perfect English.
A smile and genuine friendliness are more important.
You can do this.
We believe in you.
Great job today, everyone.
You learned how to start conversations.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
Now go start a conversation.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.